Okay, let's look at this topic, trigonometry. And under trigonometry, let's look at sine rule. Sine rule. Sine rule can be used to find sides of a triangle and can also be used to find angles in a triangle. We can use sine rule to find sides and angles of a triangle that is not a right angle. Sine rule can be used to find sides and angles of a triangle that is not a right angled triangle. Okay, now let's look at this. Let's say we are given a triangle ABC. Let's say we are given this triangle ABC. We are given this triangle ABC. Here, let's call this angle A. So the side facing that angle A will be side A. Let's call this angle B. So the side facing this angle will be side B. And let's call this angle C. So this side adjacent to it will be what? Or opposite to it. Opposite the angle C will be small c. So we are given this triangle. And then sine rule says that uh, sine rule states that A over sine A is equals to B over sine B is equals to C over sine C. So A over sine A over sine A, B over sine angle B, C over sine angle C. So you can also write it in this way. You can say sine A over small a is equals to sine B over small b is equals to sine C over small c. This is what sine rule says. Now let's look at an example. Just like we said earlier, we can use this rule to find angles of a triangle and can also be used to find sides of a triangle. But that is if the triangle is not a right angled triangle. Let's look at this example. Now, let's say the question says, in triangle ABC, angle A equals 29 degrees, angle B equals 36 degrees, side B equals 15.8 centimeter. So the question says, find A. So in this question, we are asked to find side A. We are to find side A. Now, let's quickly do that. Now, our solution. Let's quickly find out our solution. The question says, in triangle ABC, angle A is 29, angle B is 36, angle C, side B is 15.8 centimeters. So find side A. Let's just have a sketch of our triangle. Let's say we have this triangle. Let's draw a sketch of our triangle. Sorry. Let's draw a triangle here. Remember, it is not a right angle triangle. It is not a right angle triangle. So let's call this side angle A, angle B, and angle C. So this side opposite angle B will be small b. This side opposite angle A will be small a. This side opposite angle C will be small c. So from our question, angle A is given as to be 29 degrees. So here will be 29 degrees. Angle B is 36 degrees. So here will be 36 degrees. And side B is 15.8 centimeters. So here will be 15.8 centimeters. So now we can go ahead to find our side A. So if you look at this, we are given two angles and one side. We are given two angles. We are given angle A and angle B, and we're also given side B. So we can find side A. So to find our side A, we write out the sine rule by saying small a over sine big A is equals to small b over sine big B. Our side A, which is the small a, is what we are asked to find. This angle here. And this side A here is what we are to find. So that is A over sine big A is our angle A up here. Our angle A, which is 29, is equals to our side B is this 15.8. That's 15.8 centimeter over our sine B. That's our angle B is this. Our angle B is this, which is 36 degrees. 36 degrees. So now we can cross multiply. When we cross multiply, we have A times sine 36 degree is equals to 15.8 times sine 29 degree. So now using our calculator, sine 36 degree, what will that give us? Using our calculator, sine 36 degree will give us sine 36 degree, that gives us 0.58779. That gives us 0.58779 A. Because when we multiply A times sine 36 degrees, this gives us 0.58779 A. Please make sure you give your value in at least four decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. At least four decimal places. So is equals to then 15, 15.8 is equals to sine 29 from our calculator. Sine 29 equal beg your pardon. This one should be times sine 29 is 0.48481. 0.481. So this will be 0.58779 A is equals to, so we multiply that 0.48 is 0.48481 times 15 times 15.8, and that gives us, that is 7.6591999 65999. So divide both sides by coefficient of A, 0.58779. So this one also, we have 0.58779. So this cancel this. So we now have, so we have A will be equals to, so when we divide that, so A will be equals to 7.65999 divided by 0.58779. So when we divide that, what will it give us? So divided by 0.58779. That gives us, so we now say that A will be equals to 13.03185 centimeter. So to three significant figure, because most questions will ask you to give your answer in three significant figure. So three significant figure will be A will be equals to 13.0 centimeter. And that gives you your answer. Thank you for listening.